So today I'm going to show you how to add additional accounts for your Relay business bank account. Now we're going to be here on desktop in real time so you can follow along step by step. I'm actually going to go off screen here so you can see the screen in full here for you. Now we're currently on the home page of our Relay account, and then just one section down underneath that, you're going to see where it says accounts. Now we're going to go ahead and click on this, and that's going to take you to your full account page, and you can see all the different accounts that you have. Now in this one, we have a checking account, a savings, and then additional checking accounts for different intents. And for us to be able to go ahead and add a new account, we're going to go ahead and click in this section right over here, keeping in mind that it is actually free to go ahead and open up additional accounts inside of your Relay business account. So this pop-up menu is going to show up here for us, which is going to be able to create an account. Now we get to go ahead and give the account a nickname, keeping in mind that you can also change this in the future. So if you have it switch over to a different intent, you can go ahead and do that. And you can see the account type. There are two different types. You can have a checking account, which is designed for everyday spending, great for sending money and creating additional cards with your debit card. And then the other option right here is for a savings account where you can earn anywhere from 1 to 3% APY. Now, keeping in mind that this is great for saving, something like taxes or for larger expenses going out. And then you can see right over here, it says there is a maximum of 2 savings accounts per business. Now here on the bottom half, you have the team member access, and it shows you all the members that will have access to this account. Their names will be checkboxed over here. Now, usually it'll just automatically start with administrators, and then you can go on the back end later to go ahead and add additional team members to having access if you want them to have it. Now, if everything here looks good, we're going to go ahead and click on create account, and that will be added to the list of all the accounts that we have on this business bank account. Now, there's even more to show you when it comes to utilizing your Relay business bank account, and we got you covered here. Go ahead and check out our next video. That's going to be right over here on screen to keep on learning.